Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to quickly start the game where you left. For example, if you're playing Spider-Man or Assassin's Creed, so any of these games, right, if you're playing, recently, that will be displaying here on the home screen. So you need to choose which game you want to continue. For example, quickly you want to continue because there should not be any loading title or something. If you already started the game and just want to simply continue directly within the game. So that's what I'm going to show how to do it. So here, right, choose your game, which game you want. For example, if you choose, right, PS5, and on your controller, right, just press this down button in the D-pad and again down button. So here, right, actually this is my recent activities. So here I left it. So quickly I can start the activity. Even, right, you can choose which activity you want to start. So these are my recent activities. Actually, I left here in the Spider-Man research station. Automatically it will be continuing here. If I choose this, right, there will not be any title or game selection screen. Directly I will be entering into the game. So I'm going to press this start activity.
MJ, did they start the ceremony yet?
Directly the game is started. I'm going to show another example. Going to home screen, and here I'm going to choose this Assassin's Creed Valhalla. So just press this down button. So actually in Assassin's Creed, right, here I have left. So directly I can start the game. So I'm going to press this square button. We need to press the square button, start activity. See, the game is directly started where I left. So that's it, friends. This is the tip I just want to share with you. Already you might have known, but if some people doesn't know, right, they might have known after watching my video. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.